I used to think that having one good job was the key to financial security. I followed the traditional path. Get a degree, find a stable job, climb the corporate ladder. And for a while, it seemed like it was working. I had a steady paycheck, benefits, and a sense of predictability. But then, a few years ago, a company-wide restructuring happened, and suddenly that stable job didn't feel so stable anymore. That fear, that feeling of having all my eggs in one basket, was the wake-up call I needed. It pushed me to explore something I'd heard about but never seriously considered: building multiple income streams. And let me tell you, it completely changed my life. My journey started small. I had always enjoyed graphic design as a hobby, so I decided to see if I could turn it into something more. I started taking on small freelance projects in my evenings and on weekends. My first project paid just $50 for a simple logo. It wasn't much, but it was a start. It was money that didn't come from my main job. That small win lit a fire in me. I started devouring books, podcasts, and online courses about side hustles and passive income. Over the next few months, I diversified. I took my design skills and created digital templates that I sold on an online marketplace. This was my first taste of passive income. I'd wake up to sales notifications for something I created once. It felt like magic. Then, I noticed a lot of people asking me how I got started with freelancing. So, I decided to document my journey and share my tips on a blog. I learned about affiliate marketing and placed links to the tools and software I was already using and recommending. Slowly, another stream of income started to trickle in. It wasn't an overnight success. There were late nights, moments of doubt, and a lot of trial and error. I had to learn new skills, from marketing and SEO to basic bookkeeping. I had to become incredibly disciplined with my time, squeezing in work whenever I could, during my lunch breaks, on my commute, after my family went to bed. Some ideas failed completely. An e-commerce store I started didn't get a single sale in the first month and I had to shut it down. But with each attempt, I learned something valuable. The biggest shift wasn't just financial. Of course, having extra money was great. It helped me pay off debt faster, build up my emergency fund, and invest more for the future. But the real change was psychological. The fear that had gripped me during that company restructuring began to fade. I was no longer completely dependent on one employer. I had built my own safety net. If one income stream dried up, I had others to rely on. This gave me an incredible sense of freedom and control over my life. I even started to see my main job differently. The pressure was off. I wasn't desperate to please everyone or terrified of being laid off. This newfound confidence actually made me better at my job. I took more creative risks and spoke up in meetings, which ironically led to a promotion. The security I thought I was losing was something I ended up building for myself, on my own terms. Today, I have several income streams: my full-time job, my freelance design work, digital product sales, my blog's affiliate income, and some small investments in the stock market. Some months, my side incomes combined match my salary. Other months, they're a little less. But the point is, they exist. They are constantly working for me in the background. If you're feeling that same anxiety I felt, that feeling of being stuck or vulnerable, I want you to know there's another way. You don't have to quit your job tomorrow. You can start small, just like I did. What's a skill you have? What's a hobby you're passionate about? Could you teach it, create something from it, or offer it as a service? The internet has created endless opportunities. Your first dollar earned outside of your main job will change your perspective forever. It's not just about the money. It's about building resilience, confidence, and a life with more options. It's about taking back control. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a life you love. I'd love to hear about your own journey or ideas in the comments below. See you in the next one.